What's going on, Slingshot Trading Club?
What's up?
Time to get
Good
it.
morning.
We are already in a trade. AUD/USD. We've seen a nice little test of 200, so we both jumped in this on a short. Trying to hit a couple key levels right here. So let's start
Let's
off
go
right.
ahead and set up our stop loss. Did you set that up yet?
Yeah, let's do it. So
I cannot.
I'm going to put my stop loss right above this little consolidation high, about 0.64307 at 308. Modify 0.67. I'm gonna go 309 just to give it a little bit more room. Oh, that wasn't the right one. 0.64309. 0.64309. And boom, got our stop loss.
Take profit.
0.64309. Okay. Move them up a little bit. Give us a little bit of space. I do like rejection in the 200 4 or 5 times, so.
Okay, here we go. Let's play it. We live.
I do like rejection in the 200 4 or 5 times.
All right, here we go. It's pushing down.
Yep.
Come on.
Only thing here is I got a little double noise, so this capture thing's gonna have to go away. Unfortunately. Which means the music's stopping. We're gonna have to fix that because it's like making me double echo because it's picking up my voice for some odd reason instead of just picking up the application. We're gonna have to fix that because it's like making me double echo. But here we go. Looks like we're getting a nice push down right above TP. We hit this, we lock in 213 off of a 7-pip move.
I'm going to set up my market execution to sell roughly half of my lots here soon. 10. Man, we have been on an absolute tear. I think right now we are, we were what? We took one yesterday?
We took one big one yesterday.
Two for two the day before.
Yeah.
Four for four Friday.
Yep. I think yesterday we snagged up 41 pips. So yeah, man, we've just been killing it. We had a client make in 2 days over $400, which pays for his monthly subscription in 1 day, really, because he made that in 1 day. He made the $280 a month in 1 day. So the rest of this month is free for him.
Yeah, he actually messaged me and was like freaking out because he's only been with us for a week and a half now, and he's doubled his monthly payment basically of what the fee is for this.
Yeah, that's awesome.
For trading with us, so he was super excited.
That's awesome. I got a little pullback on AUD, but I'm gonna ride this thing out. Let's filter through and look for some other pairs to see what else. GBP would have been a really good one to stay in. Missed that one earlier this morning, but
well, I actually got that one, Trent.
Yeah,
I locked in 2150, I believe.
Nice.
I just dropped it. I just dropped my profits in the Discord.
That's awesome.
Sorry, $22,020. So I caught that one. I know you were setting up. You were trying to set up this live stream. So I didn't want to bug you, but yeah, absolute banger on that one.
Yeah. Did you see the JPY?
No, I
Check
haven't
out
checked
the JPY. This is a this would have been another great trade to get in. The only reason I didn't get in this one is because the formation was so close to the 200. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but you can see a nice, got a
Mm-hmm.
nice W technical analysis formation. Could have got a, on entry about 145, 911, and you can be snagging about 21 pips on JPY right now.
Yeah, still pushing up.
Still running.
Yeah,
We
you'd still
got
be in this trade.
we got futures starting to drop, so that's going to encourage all USD pairs to drop and all other pairs to go up. Let's see. Looking at CAD, it's kind of just choppy. Big wicks, little bodies. It's indecisive, so we'll wait on that one. NZD's falling. Another good one to get in. Kind of similar to the AUD trade. Same formation. One big drop and then kind of chopped around the 200, retested, and now it's falling. Gold. Wow. Gold would have been lovely. The rest is okay. So, yeah, we're just riding out AUD. See if we can hit us a TP. This TP is right on yesterday's low, daily low. So we'll see if we can break that. Let me see. In the meantime, I'm going to try and get this thing working so we can get some actual music, but it doesn't look too promising.
AUD starting to pull back here. Let me check. So we're not far from the previous day low, but we have, the next support, man, is really 0.63947 area.
Yeah.
So if this does continue to go the right way, I believe if it breaks the previous day low, this is going to be an absolutely nice trade. It's going to be a big short for us.
Yep.
I mean, dude, you're talking 20 plus pips.
Yeah.
In one singular trade.
That's it. And we want to ride this down as long as we can.
Yep, here we go. Come on, push, baby.
Yes. Let's get it. I want to hit the TP button so we can.
Yes, lock in profits, move to break even,
trade in.
Yep.
I'm going to let this trade play out with our indicator. I'll move my stop loss down probably to the 200, but let's see here. Yeah, it'd be a nice little trade. It's fighting some resistance or something, some support.
Yeah, it's getting stuck, but man, it just doesn't show anything. It just yeah, I don't know why it's getting stuck. Maybe because it's close to the previous day low is what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
It doesn't want to break it.
A little bit of taking some people probably taking profits around this area, which is causing these little bounces, but hopefully they get out the way and we can really get down to the good money. There we go. Come on.
Yep. It just opened below that. Yeah, it just opened right even with the low of that last candle. We need it to break.
Yeah, I might move my TP up to the bottom of that. Not the last candle, but the one before that. So I am going to put it at 0.6417. Well, it's about to hit it now. Come on. I moved my TP up to 0.64168. So we are right on top of it. We are right on top of it. Here we go. It's halfway through it. We need the red line to touch the other red line, and that'll set our TP off, close one of our positions. We are right on top of it. Here we go. It's halfway through it. We need the red line to touch the other red line, and that'll set our TP off, close one of our positions. We are right on top of it. Here we go. It's halfway through it. We need the red line to touch the other red line, and that'll set our TP off, close one of our positions. We are right on. It's getting some looping. Come on, baby. Give us the money. Now, look, a lot of times you could close here instead of just kind of waiting for this to activate. If you really wanted to lock it in, I mean, it's about to. We're on it. We're on it. Come on. There it is. Boom. It's time to hit the take profit. Brad, you muted. Oh, he's on the phone.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Go drop it. Let's go. TP2. Where's the TP music?
Oh, it's playing.
Let's get it.
Got the McLaren rolling through. We in the club. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And it's falling hard going to TP2. Let's go, baby.
Let's get TP2. So I'm now going to move my stop loss just a little bit down, right above the 200. Let this ride out. Let me see what we locked in. 186 on that one. Oh, biggity boy.
All right, it's a nice little pullback, profit taking area.
Mm-hmm. It was right on it. That's about the right amount. So I'm looking at the thing. It literally bounced off the previous day low. That low of this candle, the current candle, that was the previous day's low. So we got a bounce literally right off of it. So if we can break this PDL, we will see TP2 probably in 5 minutes if it does break it, which is looking good still. All right, let's see. Give it to us, AUD. All right, so in the meantime, let me look at something here. Man, what a trade at Euro. God, Euro is a dump fest.
Yeah, no, man. I seen it pop off and I did not get in. I don't know why.
Euro and JPY could have made your whole trading day in just those two trades. I mean, you're talking 32 pip move on each one. That's every lot you trade, you know, what's that? $320 a lot. You're locking in profit. And I do 3 lots. So that'd have been $1,000 per trade. I do 2 orders per set. So you're looking at 2K just on one pair. 4K on the day, just like that. And I'd have been out of here. I'd have been gone for the day. Turn off the computer and go find something to do. And that's what we do at the Slingshot Trading Club. We hit take profits.
All right, I'm going to post our wins in the Discord.
Do it. Guys, we'll have the Discord link in the description of this channel, along with our website also. We do these signals every single day of the week, fully automated. You don't have to do a single thing once you're set up. It's a very simple process to set up. It's $280 a month. And people are like, oh, how do you justify that? I justify it in one trade when you make $200 in one trade. So just like one of our other clients in 2 days made $400. The rest of the month is free money. Trades are automatically taken on your behalf. You don't have to learn the market. You don't have to do anything. You could be a kindergarten teacher and be making money on the side, getting a little passive income from our fully automated trading subscription. So go check that out. The links will be in the description. And we hope to see you on board soon. We also have a discovery call every Monday and Thursday. If you want to chat directly to us, you can. We'll be more than happy to answer any and all questions you have about Forex, about our signals, about our performance. So we are absolutely killing the market. We're about 85% accurate this year. I don't even know how many pips we've gained. I'd have to go back and do the math, but it has been a ton. So.
Yep, and the greatest thing about all this, Trent, is the fact that we are truly helping people make a second stream of income and able to pay their car note. You know, we're getting reviews that are matter of fact, a guy told me that he was able to pay his house note on one of the occasions. So that's just what's most beneficial to me, is the fact that we're able to help people, you know, pay different bills or make a second stream of income while making their first stream. You know, they don't have to do anything. So yeah, super exciting. Hope to see anyone on here.
Nothing wrong with making your car note or something, you know, you pay a month, even a cell phone bill. If you can make an extra $150 a month, it may not seem like a lot, but it's a free cell phone, or it's a free car note, or a free house note. I mean, you know, it's whatever you want to risk. You can set your own lot sizes and go from there.
Yep. Well, anyways, that was a good AUD trade. I'm all out. It turned around. It hit my take profit, and then I came back and hit my stop loss.
Yeah, mine just hit. I was letting it test the 200, but.
Yep, I made roughly $280 on that one trade.
Nice.
And that was in what, a 5, 10, 15 minute
15 minute
hold.
280, just like that. 1 month payment done.
Yep.
Everything's kind of doing that same candle. Got a big pullback. Probably just going to take some stop losses out and then go back down, to be honest with you. That's what it seems like. Looking on TradingView here.
Yeah, AUD makes sense. It touched the previous day low, which is normally a strong support, because it doesn't want to break that.
Yep.
If it would have broken it,
that'd have been nasty.
Yeah, we'd have went down to like the 0.639 area. That would have been an absolute insane trade.
Yeah,
we're talking thousands.
I still like the look of AUD, to be honest with you. It could it's got nothing but blank space down there. So
absolutely no support. So I'm saying the only thing that held us up was the previous day low.
Yep, got a little bounce off of that, and yeah, that's really it. But let's see here. So those of you who are new to Forex, or you just don't even know what Forex is, it's just a different type of investment vehicle. It's comparable to the stock market and just trading, any kind of market in general. The great part about Forex is that it's 6 times the market size of the stock market, which a lot of people don't know. And the liquidity is outrageous. There's no delays in order execution. You're going to get the exact fill that you enter, unlike the stock market. So it's Forex. You're trading currency against currency. For this last trade instance, we were trading US dollar against Australian dollar, and it's 24/5. Stock market closes. This thing does not close except on the weekends, which makes it great for people who work during the daytime. They can hop on at night for the Asia session and still make money. That's the great part about Forex, besides the market share and the liquidity, the deep liquidity pools that this offers. We love Forex. We've tried every investment vehicle, and we've always gravitated towards Forex. It's just easier to predict. It's easier to do technical analysis on it. It trades in a channel over the long run versus going up and up and up like the stock market. Because, like I said earlier, you're trading currency against currency. So the Great British Pound will never be, $20 higher than the US dollar. It'll just never happen unless the US goes completely under. And if that's the case, then we're in a bigger bind than we are we're in a bigger bind. We have a bigger problem than worrying about losing $500 or $600. So that's why we love Forex. And if you haven't checked it out, you should just do some research on it and check it out.
Yeah, we love Forex among other things, like locking in thousands and thousands of dollars a day.
Yep.
So my wife really loves when I do that.
Another thing also I want to mention, Brad, stock market is hard to get leverage. You're probably going to get 1 to 4 leverage on, stock trading with a broker. You're also going to experience the PDT rule, pattern day trader rule, if you're going to day trade. That limits you to 3 trades a week if you don't have 25 grand in your account or more. So the Forex industry does not have that. And what it also has that the stock market doesn't is massive leverage. You can get an account with up to 500 to 1 leverage. Now, do you need that? No. We use 100 to 1 and 50 to 1. And essentially what that does is it lets you play with your broker's money. Don't worry, you won't lose their money. They'll never let you lose their money. They just want to give you the money because they know the more you trade and the higher amount you get, the more money they will make. So they give you money and it's all set up. You can never owe the broker, $50,000 because you lost their money. It's never going to happen that way. That's a big misconception in the Forex industry about leverage. It's just impossible. They will not let you do that. You will get margin called before. So that's another reason why we love the Forex industry. Trade with 100 to 1 leverage. Let's see here.
Yeah, 100%, Trent. And if you're just joining, you missed an absolute banger trade that we just pumped out, Trent. That was a roughly, let's give a quick update we got in here. It's roughly a 10 pip move in one trade.
Yep, nice little 10 pip snag. Easy money.
Locking in around 280 or so.
Yep, stress free. I mean, absolutely stress free. Had a great formation on AUD USD. The US market is going down, which drives most US pairs down.
Man, what I like, Trent, I love this pullback and test. It tested the 200 again. And then with what you just said, the U.S. market going down, this could be another nice entry.
Mm-hmm. It could. It's getting rejected right at the entry where we got in. So
yeah,
we shall see. Let's go back and look.
We do have a nice bullish candle on AUD. This last 5-minute candle that's just formed now, though.
True.
Yeah.
And this whole play could have been like a little, well, that was a big candle about 10 candles ago drop. The one that went straight down to the 200. I don't think this is a liquidity grab play, so we'll wait it out and see. It is looking strong now, though.
Yeah, we just opened above the 200, which is a strong play up.
Yeah.
Like I said, the candle before was a nice bullish candle, but we shall see.
Mm-hmm. That is correct. Go do some analysis on some other ones. They all kind of look similar. Every pair that I trade. Let's see. Man, some great formations this morning.
Yes.
Let's check out the news. Let's go over news and see if we have anything popping today. So, only thing we had was unemployment claims for the U.S. at 7:30. So that's been priced in already. Wasn't that much of a mover. And let's check out no more news. Nothing tomorrow. So should be a pretty easy trading day tomorrow for news. No news popping off, so we should get some good formations that stay true. Yeah, we're getting rejected by that 200.
Did you like your house in that new house you're thinking about investing in?
Yeah, so I'm just getting all the loan docs ready. We've already signed the offer and they agreed. So once they fix everything in the inspection that we asked for, we be all good. I'm having a new office,
Nice.
nice little soundproof room. I'm gonna put some soundproofing all over the walls, and we're really gonna party after when we get in that office. So y'all get ready. I might buy me a
That's nice, man.
flamethrower.
uh,
Oh man,
how awesome would that be to be able to on the TP instead of playing music, just start
blasting
torching?
flames. Yeah,
Yeah.
that'd be funny. I end up burning my whole house down. My wife would kill me. JPY,
Man, after
nice
those big
pullback.
moves, yeah, I was fixing to say that after those big moves, JPY had a nice pullback and back to the 200. So it seems like everything is kind of either taking a profit or looking for a change of direction.
Yep. I'm gonna
Um,
go on Trading View and look, get some levels.
yeah, the only one that still looks good, actually, to me, to continue going down was the GBP trade, but we done been in and out of that one. So,
Yeah.
I mean, we're probably a good 15, 20 minutes away from maybe anything else popping off.
Yeah, you can see on GBP US or GBP Euro and AUD, they all bounced right off of some support, some previous highs, previous consolidation levels. So that's what we're seeing that big pullback. I would love for this JPY to come below the 200 and then pop back up above it. If it does that, I'm gonna get in the long on JPY with this big run up. I think right now it's just people profit taking.
Well, especially with the U.S. market as a whole going in the bearish
Yeah.
direction.
Yep, for sure.
Yeah, I think it's absolutely a good play. Let me see. Yeah, because I'll be honest with you, we're kind of at the equilibrium area
Mm-hmm.
of JPY, so it's kind of undecided. And yeah, with everything aiming down in the U.S. market, it's worth watching. This is honestly just a good take profit move because yeah, your last 7 5-minute candles was a good 40 pip run up.
Mm-hmm. That is correct. Oh.
If it makes its way down to the this support around the weak area, I guess that bottom candle around 145,610. Man, that'd be an absolute great play
Oh yeah.
for a run up.
Yeah, I don't think it'll come that far down again, but you never know. I'd like to see it. I'd like to see it come test the 145,933 area. We test that area and it holds. We'll probably get another ride up. Nothing else is popping off,
Nope, market slowed down.
which is
That's
normal.
expected. Yep, that's expected after the open. The open is normally crazy and good plays, and then it slows down, picks up after lunch.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going off in Discord.
Hmm. Yep. Let's see. Go look at the futures here. Well, US is starting to pump up, but JPY seems like it's not caring at all. It's going to do what it wants to do. Normally they go opposite, but JPY is saying, hold my beer. And watch this. Tested the 200, got a rejection, and ended on a hammer candle on JPY. Could be a nice little play, man. Nice little play. I'm just watching the levels, seeing what happens.
Euro tested, came back, tested 200, GBP's pulling back, JPY pull back. What I do like is it's not the wild, wild west today. Everything's kind of together.
Yep.
It's moving like it's supposed to, you know. What I can't stand is when JPY is going straight up, GBP, USD is going straight up. It's like you can't really predict it as easy as when they're all together.
Correct. I agree with that. It's back at 200, testing the 200 again, JPY.
Dude, I was on another note. I went hit yesterday, and obviously, you know, I've been getting trained by the pro, and man, he changed two things: grip and my finish.
Nice.
So I went to the range with the TrackMan, and I smashed my 7-iron 187 yards, like on the screen. So I was actually outside.
Yeah.
On the
That's what
TrackMan.
matters.
So and that was with practice balls.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So, dude, I felt so good. It felt so good.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
the
You know
most
when
pure,
it's right.
dude, the most pure shot. And it had a slight draw to it. It was just the best feeling. And then my pitching wedge was going like 145, 150.
Nice.
So I definitely, just by changing those two things, I've gained probably almost 20 yards.
Yeah, that's
15
insane.
to 20 yards.
Yeah, when you hit it right and get efficient with your swing, it's over with.
Yeah, dude, it was so nasty. Felt so good.
Let's see here. Wow, I am tempted to get in. I am not going to lie. I'm very tempted.
Get in JPY?
Yeah.
Let me go check. Let me go check it out before you hop in on this bad boy.
I just would like it to come down a little more, right to that consolidation area, about 145, 965. Man, if it did that and bounce, I would definitely get in. No hesitation. I mean, it's testing the 200. This could keep going up.
What's the... How many points is the U.S. market right now?
Futures are at 44 in the green. They were at 100, so they're actually coming down. But issue is that JPY is just kind of hanging around instead of pushing. So that's my only thing. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you. It's all just it's just sitting there.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, if we close above this last candle's wick, I'm going to enter. I'm only going to get in on one lot, or one order instead of two, and we'll ride it out. As soon as we break this, I'm gonna enter and take a little shot. I'll put a very small stop loss. I'll probably put a stop loss at about 145.973. Take that chance. That would be a 9 pip stop loss, but a chance to make a, let's see, where's our next level? About right here, 20 pip move, 2-to-1 trade. Looking like we got coming back down as undecisive.
Yeah,
so
it's still it's coming back to test it. Check this out, Trent. I got a quick update. This is what, today's the 17th.
Today's the
Your boy
17th.
is at your boy is at 30K. 30K. Can you see that right there? Oh, it's taking my phone out. The background.
Yeah, it's blurring it out.
Yeah, the background's fighting it.
It don't want you to see.
No.
That's funny.
30K on the month.
That's crazy, dude.
30,500.
30K, y'all.
30,565 and 74 cents.
On the month.
Do not forget the 74 cents.
Don't forget it, because that 74 cents turns into $1. That dollar turns into 10, 20, 100, 500, thousands. Every dollar is important.
Yep. Been on a streak, man.
And that's what it takes. It takes consistency, perseverance through the hard times, because you're not going to win every day. There's days I've lost every day for a week, but that does not matter to me, because I know over the course of a year I am going to spank the market's butt. And so get your mindset on the long term instead of the short term. Yes, we are day trading, which is short term, but it does not matter over the course of a year. If you lose for a week, 2 weeks, hell, it don't matter if you lost for a month straight and you had the proper risk management in place. If you lost for a month straight, but then the next 3 months you won, do you think you'd be in the profit or still in the loss? And do you think you'd be happy or sad? I'm pretty sure you'd be in the profit and you'd be very happy. So it's all about the mindset, staying focused on the long term, even though you're trading short term.
Yeah, that's right, dude. I mean, Trent, you know my story. Whenever we first started trading, 10 years ago, I absolutely blew 3 accounts back to back. It was a $10,000 account, a $4,000 account, and then I think I added 2,000 something. I went all in on Waiter. Went all in on Waiter. Got lucky. I won and thought I was the king of trading. I think I turned $2,000 into 15,000.
Yep.
Thought I was the king of trading, and started trading Apple, Tesla, off of inconsistent strategies.
Yep.
And I blew that entire account. So I stepped back for like a year, really did a lot of studying, started trading with you on fake money, and developed a strategy, developed a system. And now that we have AI and better tools, we were able to take those strategies and systems, put them into one place, and we are where we are now, where we're consistently winning thousands and thousands of dollars a day.
That's it.
And able to share that experience with you guys. So that's where we're at, and that's kind of the journey. We didn't hop into this knowing what to do. We didn't hop into this instantly winning and had it all figured out. We had to go through the rough times to get to where we're at now. But what we're offering to you is you not to be able to go through those rough times and just tag along with us, handhold, spoon feed, whatever you want to call it. That's just where we're at in life now. And if you think it's hard to make $100,000 a year in today's time, I think you're highly mistaken, and you need to do some more research and risk management in your life to be able to gain the things that you want in this time. 2023 is a great time to make money. So,
yeah, absolutely right, dude. And you know, like you were saying, we can pull you through. You don't have to learn a single thing, or you can choose to learn. Hop in our Discord, watch our streams. We teach every time. We're about to have courses online, and you can earn while you learn. You get it signed up for the automated signals. That way you don't have to worry about the money part, and sit back and learn how to trade. Then you can trade on your own and grow your account slowly over the course of the year. And that's what it takes. Don't get so focused on making $2,000 a day. You see all these big time traders that make $2,000-3,000 a day. The thing you don't know is they're trading with $500,000, $1 million, and when they get in a trade, 1 or 2 ticks, they're in the profit. So they just lock these big profits in, and it seems like they're so successful, which they are, but they're more of scalping, and it takes a lot of money to do that. If you get your strategy down and get consistent, you will make a lot more money with the strategies that we have and the take profits in place if you were trading the same size account as they was.
That's right. 100%.
Just stay focused, learn, earn, and sit back and enjoy
Yeah,
profits.
I'm definitely putting that on a shirt, Trent. I think you've said that 3 times. I've never heard you say that yet, so
Yeah.
I think we're putting that on a shirt.
Earn while you learn, baby.
Earn while you learn. Learn while you earn while you learn. Whichever way goes best.
Yeah. Either way, makes sense both ways. So
yeah, slap that on a t-shirt. Put that
that's
on a
it.
bumper sticker, dude.
Yeah, put that on a bumper sticker, dude. Put that on a cracker, dude. But yeah, I think that's the key. That I think the reason why most new traders fail is because they see these big traders making so much money, and they feel like they have to risk a ton of money to make that money, but they're not financially set up for that yet. Everybody's journey is independent. You can go off of their strategies, but do not try and make the same as them. If you have a $10,000 account, your daily goal should be $25. And you may say, "Oh, that's low, man. $25." Do the math on $25 a day for 221 trading days, and then tell me if you think that's low when you hit 50% a year. You ain't getting that nowhere else.
Yeah, Trent, that's $5,525 just for the
Exactly.
ones who didn't want to do their own math.
50% in the year. You're not getting that with Ever Jones. You're not getting that with Fidelity. That's you putting in the work, and that's going to grow each year. And that's with a $10,000 account. Small account. Take it slow. Set your daily goal of $25 and try and achieve it.
Yep. And then on top of that too, Trent, the fact that people are watching these big heavy hitters make $10,000-$20,000 a day, they don't understand that those people are still using the same strategy and the same risk tolerance as they were with $10,000.
That's correct.
They're 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 still chasing, say, that $25, that 50% a year. So if they're trading with $1 million, they're chasing 500,000. So it was the same exact mindset as when they had 10,000.
Yep.
It doesn't change. Just because you're making bigger money doesn't mean you're taking more risk. You're still taking the same risk, just you have more money.
Correct. Same percent risk.
That's right.
Percent stays the same. Your lot size will grow as your account size grows. So if you grow your account to 15K and you're risking 2% a trade at 10K, 2% at 15K is going to bump your lot size up by half the size. So if you were risking, just for example, if you were trading one lot at 10K and now you have 15K and you're still going off of your 2% rule, you should be trading 1.5 lots. So
Correct.
You change your lot size as your account size grows, and that will increase your daily profits.
Man, I'll be honest with you. Besides the knowledge in this market, I think that could potentially be the number one killer of individuals is they're thinking that if they have 10, 20, 30, 40K, that they should be making $100,000+ a year. And that can happen, but that's extremely rare with the rules that we put in place. That it's not just us. We didn't make up these rules. It's everyone. It's your Edward Jones. It's your Fidelities. It's Chase Bank, how they trade. It's all about percentages and risk management.
That's it.
So if you really gain the knowledge, which is what we give you on a daily basis, you gain that knowledge, and then you apply your proper risk management with the portfolio size that you have. You're gonna be in that top 20% of traders who really are successful in the market.
Yeah, that's exactly right. There's a reason that 95% of traders fail. And that, to me, is the primary reason. They don't have a plan. They are not emotionally ready So they cause trades to close early or get out of profits early, or they risk way too much trying to make very high dollar amounts a day on account sizes that cannot handle that risk because they're so short-sighted. Their vision is on the chart and on what can I make today? What's the most I can make today? When that's not the way you should be thinking.
Yep. And just to clarify our numbers, I said around 20%. Trent said 95% of losers, but the 95% of losers are the ones who they instantly lose when they first start and they
Yeah,
never see through the loss. But it
correct.
is around 19 to 20% who actually win in the market that lose first of the 95%, but continue for education and risk management.
Yep.
About 19 to 20% actually end up getting through that huge loss that they take and become
Learning from it.
successful and yeah,
Yeah.
become successful in the market.
And you can ask any big time player. I would say 99% of people who are successful in the market, if you go ask them, hey, tell me your journey, the first thing they're going to say is, well, when I started off trading, I lost X amount of dollars. Almost every successful trader has lost because they do the same thing that we all do. It's human nature. We want to make money. They take too big a risk and they get eaten. The difference between those is these guys learn from their mistakes and we keep moving forward. We adjust our strategy and we start learning and trading properly. We have the psychology behind it to stay calm and cool and collected and let the actual strategies play out. That's the
Yeah,
difference.
that's a huge point too, Trent. What you just mentioned is the mindset behind it, the emotions.
Mm-hmm.
Once you first start, dude, let's say you start with a $10,000 account. When you first start with that 10K account, your emotions are tied into that money. So you
Correct.
you must make sure that the money you put into a broker, you're okay with losing. You
Correct.
have to make sure that number one, because now your emotions aren't as tied to it as like, hey man, I have to pay my bills with this, or I'm
Mm-hmm.
relying on making money to pay some bills with this money. So that's number one is making sure that your mindset, your emotions are out of the way. It's money that, hey, it's play money. I was going to spend it on my $6 coffee or something that
That's
I've
it.
been saving up for the whole year. And so I'm okay with spending that.
Yep.
So that's another huge thing to put into place with trading is you have to get your emotions out the way, and the way to get your emotions out the way is to make sure you're trading with money you're okay with losing.
That's it. That's exactly right. Don't come into trading trying to make your car note to help pay bills. Like, don't come in and say, I'm going to risk my 10K that I have, and now I'm trying to make a car note. That puts extra pressure that you don't need. It's already, high pressure situations trading. You want to come in here just free of emotion, no burden of having to pay bills. The bonus, what we were saying earlier about the car payment, it's a bonus to be able to pay your car note, to be able to pay your house note. And that comes with time and learning how to trade with no emotions. So don't come in trying to meet a car note bill or a cell phone bill because you will lose. You're going to get out of trades early. You're going to not trade consistent, and it's going to hurt you in the long run.
Yeah, or you're going to hold on to a losing trade, which
Yes.
is it's the it's the RIP of this market is
Mm-hmm.
holding on to losing trades. That's why it's super important to set a stop loss because you have to be okay with taking that loss. I am a victim of that
Yep.
early on. Sometimes I'm still a victim of that. You get to a trade, you feel really good about it, so you're it's like okay, mindset is check, risk
Mm-hmm.
management check. I'm good to go. You feel so good about it that it has to be a winning trade in your mind. And when it does go the wrong way, you hold on to it. And I'll be honest with you, since this is what we've built this company off of is honesty. The
Yep.
most I've ever lost was $137,000 in
Yep.
one trade. And that's because I held on to it. And honest, this is exactly how my mind was processing. It went down $1,000, and I was like, "Oh, it's just $1,000. I'm gonna be fine. We're gonna get through this. It's gonna turn around." It went down $2,500, and that's about where my stop loss was. But what I
Mm-hmm.
did was I moved my stop loss. Trent, I know you fussed at me. You know the
Mm-hmm.
story. Trent jumped my butt. Trent is the best at setting stop loss and getting emotions out the way. And this was like last year.
Yeah.
So I continued to move my stop loss up, thinking that, man, it's got to hit this support. It's going to hit this resistance. It was actually going up. So it's going to hit this resistance. It's going to hit this resistance. And it blew for, I was in that trade for maybe a week and a half.
Oh yeah.
And finally, dude, I was losing sleep. I was not happy with my family. Like, it was emotionally just wrecking my life.
Yeah.
So I just turned it all off, clicked it, closed it out, took a $137,000 loss, stepped away for about a week, regained my mind, got my mentality right, and now I'm absolutely crushing it. I've been crushing it ever since,
Yep.
with taking the small losses and letting my winners win. So yeah, that's kind of
Yeah.
my story of letting emotions get in the way. It was a huge loss.
Yeah. That was a big turning point for you to, the stock market does not do what you want it to do or what you believe it will do. And every time somebody says, "Oh, it's only going to go down so far," or "It can only go down this," let me tell you, when people have when banks, it's mainly banks that keep driving that down one way. When banks have their algorithms in place, those will go to the prices they want. And like Brad was saying, his kept going up or down. I forgot which way he was needing it to go, but it kept going the opposite way for a week or two straight. And it got to the point where he had to close out. But the great thing about it is, like he said, he regained his composure. He learned from his mistake, kept pushing forward, and now he's back in the profit overall. So he's killing it now, and he's made all that money back in less than 5 months now. So you just can't give up. You got to be consistent, have perseverance, and keep pushing through and learn from your mistakes.
Yeah, Trent. I mean, a huge thing for me to grow in was how quickly. Look, I don't risk as much. I just have more money to play with. So we're saying these big numbers, but the risk management is still the same
Yep.
overall. And we did touch on that, but it was how quickly, and this is where I overcame a lot, is how quickly you could lose the money is just how quickly you can win the money. So
That's
I
it.
would rather take that loss early at the stop loss at the level that we set, because I can make that back the next day.
Exactly.
And when you take $1,000 loss like I did, and I've seen it 1,000, I was like, man, that's a lot. I've seen it 2,000, but the more I let it go above my stop loss, the that's 100% of my money I have to get back. Let's use this example. Let's say you lose 20% of your account in day one. You know you have to make up 100% of that money back.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, why let it go so far away
Correct.
that you're having to make 100% of 50% of your account
Yep.
to get back to even?
Yep.
So
You
set your
start.
stop losses, stick with your stop loss, allow it to take the, be happy that it took the loss because you know it's coming right back around sooner than later.
Yep. Yep. And when you get into those big deficits like that, you want a revenge trade, which is you're now instead of just trading and letting your play out, you are now seeking to find trades that probably aren't set up correctly because you're seeking to make that big loss back. You're seeking to make that 20% back and get back to even. And guess what that does? It causes, emotional wreck. It causes you to trade off of your strategies and be very inconsistent, and it even drives your loss down further. So
Yep.
just let the stop loss do its thing. It's called a stop loss for a reason. Let it take you out. Here's the thing I learned about stop losses. You want to stay in the trade because you want it to win. We want to win as humans. It feels great to win. It's an adrenaline pump, just like we had earlier. So when something hits stop loss, the thing I tell myself is, okay, I lost that, but guess what? The trade can always turn back around and you can always re-enter that same trade if it didn't work out at that point in time. Doesn't mean it's not going to work out in the future. So it may just hit your stop loss and it comes back and goes back to where your entry is. Get back in. It could work that next time and you make all your money plus some.
Yep. Correct. Well, that was a good discussion, Frank. Great job.
Mm-hmm. We didn't get any more signals, but like we said,
No.
we don't seek out signals. We let them come to us, and we take only the highest quality signals. Now JPY or Euro is dumping. Nice little rejection of the
Oh yeah,
200.
something just turned up on Euro.
Yeah, thing is going downtown, baby.
JPY starting to push up after broke the 200.
Yeah, so I did mention about getting in if it came back and tested this support. So I think I'm going to enter for a long, and I'm going to put my stop loss below the two consolidation levels at 145.882. So we're going 145.882.
Yeah, something really upset Euro.
Yeah.
It's not happy right now. All right, we're entering into JPY. Let's go.
Yeah. And it may not work, but it's a play I'm going to take. We'll see. This could be a nice little liquidity grab play. It kind of dipped below, made a big run up, and then came back and, tested this previous area that was hard for it to get past. Previous consolidation right here. And you have your W formation. So it's got an inverse hammer candle and then a hammer candle signifying a reversal. So hopefully we get in this and it plays out for us. Put my stop loss a little bit higher. And we'll let it ride out. Whatever happens, happens. So we've got a stop loss of 9 pips roughly. And the goal, we should be able to at least get to 13 or 14 with a secondary of 28. So it could be a 3-to-1 play right here if we let the second TP ride out, which would be phenomenal. Let's see. All right. JPY trades in the profit for me, showing a negative overall, but the actual trade itself is in the profit. That's because my commission is getting taken out. But if you're on a commission-free broker like Forex.com or IG, you should be in the profit right now. We're blasting above the 200. I'm going to set a TP of 146.074. See if we can't lock us in a nice little 170. And then my second TP, I might go 146.141. All right, we let the trade play out. We have our stuff in place. Both TPs with the stop loss, and we let it play out. It does not matter what happens from here. I don't care if it hits the TP. Excuse me. I don't care if it hits the SL. It's stress-free. Okay, we closed above the 200. We got a little bit of volume coming into play. Let's go.
Come on. What a call. I'm up 458 right now.
Nice. Okay, got a little bit of resistance right here. A little struggle bus, when we were talking. A little consolidation area, so we'll see. We'll let it play out. If it starts acting up, I may just close this whole trade and call it a day. Made a good little chunk already, so that's what the goal is just make your money and get out. Don't trade all day. The more trades you take, the more chances you have at losing. Also, the more chance you have at winning. But there's no point, if you've already won for the day, there's no point in risking your profits. That's another thing to talk about. People love trading all day. They trade 30, 40 trades a day. If you're trading that much, there is no way you're going to win all of those. So less is best. Trade quality, not quantity. Get your money early in the morning and get out. There's no reason to trade past noon, to be honest with you. Here we go. Let me look on this thing. Equilibrium's at 146.079. Okay, we got TP right below 079, so that's good. Let's get one little run up. One little spike in volume. US market just went into the negatives on futures. So we are now red across the board. Tech 500 and NASDAQ or Dow Jones are all red. Let's get a nice run up, baby.
Okay, we're a few pips from TP1.
Yep. Let's blast. Blast up, baby. We're so close. We skirting and flirting.
Skirting and flirting. I'm just excited, Trent, to see the TP banger.
Yeah.
The video.
Yeah. So
that makes me more excited than anything.
Yeah.
And it's getting close. Come on.
It's literally I mean, look, guys, we talked about this 30 minutes ago. I said if it literally came down and tested it, that area, I would love to see it test that area. Then I'm getting in no matter what. I don't care. I have no emotion. That was my strategy. I'm sticking with it. And look, we're about to hit TP1. And even if it doesn't, the play was still correct. You could close right here if you want and go about your day. You can lock in 300 and call it a day. I like to let the trades play out. That's just me. So it is kind of hanging right here. It's kind of stalled out. So we'll see what happens, you know.
All it needs is a good pump.
One little oomph.
One little pump.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna give this candle the 2 minutes it has left and then see. And what I might do is take my 1 TP and then move my stop loss to break even. That way it's really completely stress-free and wrap it up for the day.
Yeah, because I would love to hit at least 2 TPs on the day.
Yeah.
And let the rest ride out.
Yeah.
We can walk away from this happy and go do what we want to do.
That's it. Let me look at the levels.
This is the most exhilarating part.
Yes.
You're in it. You're going positive. You're going green on your money.
Yeah, it's always nice when you see that green. We need the gray line to hit the red line to close the TP. But like I said, it's hanging around here. I'm most likely going to close this a hair early to lock in this as soon as the next candle forms, if it does not touch our TP. Because it's looking like it's getting stuck.
Come on, there's the next candle formed a little above, Trent.
Yeah. I'm gonna take mine and roll, bro. I'm good with it.
We're right there.
I'm moving the stop loss up.
Yep.
I'm putting stop loss at BE, and we hitting the TP, baby. Let's get it.
Roll the clip.
I wish I had a flame.
Roll the clip. Let's go. If you had a flamethrower, I'd be blasting my house down right now. Let's go.
Everybody in the club dancing. All right.
Slingshot Trading Club, congratulations. You just hit your second TP of the day. You're very welcome.
Looks like it's still pumping, too. Could very well go up.
Trent, we hit TP2.
Oh, yeah.
I'm jumping out this chair.
If we hit TP2, I'm going to do a handstand right behind me. Look, that would have cleared TP1, but hey, 1 pip, I'll take the 1 pip difference. So, if anybody else is in this trade and you don't want to set your stop loss at break even, you want to guarantee. If I were you to guarantee you lock in some, I would set it at 146.022. That would be the highest I would go. That guarantees you a little profit.
Or Trent, if they would like, they could set probably a 30 to 50 pip trailing stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's normally what I do if I want to walk away and be done, to where I at least lock in some of my profits if it goes up. From there, so it doesn't go back to break even, I'll set like a 30 to 40, maybe 50 pip trailing stop, depending on obviously what pair you're on.
Yeah.
The higher number pair, you need more pips. The lower number pair, you need less pips. But man, we're
money,
dude, I
money,
locked in
money.
over. Let's see what I locked in on that one. Now remember, I'm playing with a little more. My size is a lot more, but the first TP I locked in 164, and my second right now is running at $638 profit. So I'm on pace to do another $1,000 banger. That would be over $3,000 on the day.
Love it.
Let's go,
So
Slingshot Trading Club.
we had a nice push up. Let's go see if we had a change of corrector yet. Nope, not yet. We got to break above this previous high to get a change of corrector. I'm gonna tell you what, bro.
Trent, I'm
going to remove this TP.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move it up
right now. I'm gonna go ahead and sell 5. Market execution, lock in over $300 more.
Nice.
And then I'll let the rest ride.
Yeah, so I moved my TP up just to move it. This isn't a certain level. I just didn't want it to close here because it is looking strong. So if it gets to this level, I'll move my stop loss up to guarantee a lock in. But man, if it breaks this level, I think it's going to go up a lot more. So I don't want to limit myself. So we'll just let it play out.
Yeah, and again, at this point, you can set your set a nice trailing stop and walk away if you need to walk away.
Yeah, if you need to go, set a trailing stop or just a hard stop loss, whatever you're comfortable with.
Or even better, if you're a part of the program, if you're part of our system, you're just allowing us to do this for you while you're making money. So as
another
we
advantage.
move yes, as we move these levels, it'll automatically move levels for you. So you could be in that club and you're locking in profits while you're making more money doing whatever you feel like doing, or hanging out with your kids, or I don't know, playing golf.
That's it. Yeah, let us do the work for you. Literally on this day, this is the third day that if you would have signed up today, you would have made your money today for the month.
Yep. That's insane, Trent.
It is what it is.
Looks like it's starting to take a little profit pullback. I have my stop loss about midway between my entry and where the price is now.
I'm letting mine ride almost all the way to break even. I want it to. I want to see this fully play out. So. Let's see what the futures are doing. Futures are down 27 points. They kind of took a little breather, but normally when you open green and you go to red in futures, if it doesn't come back green fairly quickly, it stays red, which will be good for this JPY trade because it goes opposite of the US.
That's right. Yeah, I'm looking at things right now, Trent. This does look good to just continue going up.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm definitely going to follow your lead on this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna play it. Let it. I want to see it fully play. It's just too good of an opportunity to get out this early, especially after we locked in money. There's no reason not to let it play fully. It does not matter for the second TP. I will take a $12 win on the chance to make $500 or $600, $700 if this thing keeps running.
Great. And if you didn't know, the Forex broker that we do recommend, they have a 4.7% annual interest
Yep.
payments that they pay out. So it's Forex.com. Highly recommend them. Their customer service is top notch. We don't get anything for referring them or recommending them. We
Nope.
just like to recommend good companies that are, that have the same type of care that we have, the same type of integrity that we have.
Mm-hmm.
So Forex.com, they pay you for putting money just to sit there.
Yep. Better than a bank. U.S. regulated too, so you're not going to lose your money. Bum, 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 bum.
Come on, man. I'd like for you to hit the clip again, Trent. I'm not gonna lie.
Mm-hmm.
I'd love for you to hit the clip.
Yeah, for sure. That would be nice.
You know what we could do is I might need to go. I might need to go shoot a video in my car just burning rubber, and then we can put that in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be fun. Maybe I could have the window rolled down halfway, just kind of bobbing my head while the
Oh,
tires are
yeah.
just.
Spinning the tires up. He's paying for his gas and his tires with the profit he just made. Oh,
Okay,
man.
I don't think I'm joking. I might go do that. I think I'm gonna do that. Just go burn the tires up, shoot the video, and just bobbing my head, deuces
Burn
out
it
the
all the
window.
way to the rim.
Yeah, maybe I wouldn't do that. The rims are kind of expensive.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Oh, God.
I'm up 2,600 on the day, Trent. In
Nice.
one more trade, I think honestly, me personally, I'm gonna be done for the day. After this trade finished playing out, so I
Oh,
can just
yeah.
go on with everything else.
100%. Yeah, that's definitely gonna call it after this trade. So who is emailing me? Oh, some renovation houses. See. Yeah, the cool part about having a community too, we all hit the same take profit. We all celebrate. It's nice. It's like family celebrating and everything. So that's fun.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
But all right, we're gonna let this trade play. Let this trade play out. I'm gonna go grab a drink. So we'll be right back, y'all. Alrighty, guys.
What's up?
We are back. Thanks for sticking with us. Thanks for checking out the channel. We're going to let this trade play out. It may take a while, but I'm definitely going to keep my stop loss where it is. I'm not going to move it, and the only time I will move it is if we clear this level right here. I will then move it up to below this little consolidation area, probably about 146.050. So this trade may take a while to play out. We're already at, some hour and change on the live stream. We hope you guys learned something today. Join our Discord. If you have any questions, hop in the general chat. Shoot us a message. We're active all day, every day. Even on the weekends, we're still active. Join our fam and join the Slingshot Trading Club. Make sure to, like, subscribe, follow. We're going to be putting out a ton of content. We're going to be going live twice a week so that you guys can learn with us, make money. And like Brad said, earn while you learn. We're going to stick that on a shirt us. So, so join us. Yeah. Check everything out. We offer a lot of stuff. And come join our signals. You'll make that money back in 1 week. And it doesn't take a lot to get started. So if you have any questions, leave some comments.
Real quick, Trent, just so they know, we recommend at least $5,000 account so you can, feel really comfortable in trading the way that we do, so you can make that money within a week or a trade or so.
Yeah, 10K. I would prefer 10K. It's perfect. Gives you a little more wiggle room. It's not saying you're going to play with all 10K. It just gives you a little more margin. So, other than that, y'all, we appreciate y'all very much.
Yep, and JPY starting to pump up.
Yeah, we'll let this play out. I'm gonna let this thing ride all day. It may not even hit a TP. I may just trail it up all day. So, oh, my dog's going ballistic. But yeah, guys, we're gonna sign off for now, and get some clips out. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Deuces, y'all. Thanks for watching. We love y'all.
Later.